Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can multiple login in WhatsApp. So in order to multiple login in WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and now click on the three dots which is located at the top of the screen and click on the linked device. Once you click on it, you can already see you are already logged in into a multiple devices. You can scan QR to log in again into another devices and into the code again. So this is how easily you can log in into multiple devices or mobile phone. So if you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.